Oh shit!
Deep breath in. There we go. Good. Take a deep breath in and exhale out.
Oh, that was good.
Deep breath in and out. Okay, this time. Yep, up and over, and then bring this one up and over. Good. Try to rotate it like that.
Oh.
Okay.
I always do that by myself.
Bring your hands up and over mine. Yep. Okay, lean back. Squeeze your elbows together. Good. Good. And relax. Okay. And then take a seat right here.
Oh, I can feel the pain there.
Can you?
Yes.
Got it. And then you're going to just kind of let your body collapse down. Got it. Then turn your head this way. And here, spin this way just a little bit with your legs. So you can sit on the corner there. Good. And put one leg over each corner. Here you go. So I'm going to turn this way, all the way through this way. Let this drop. Got it. Is the stretch okay?
Yes.
Okay, here's the third stretch. Good, now take a breath in. And we're gonna do one, okay? And blow it out. Did you feel anything release?
Yeah, my neck.
Okay. So it's wild because we've already adjusted your neck so many different ways. Stop. So I'm gonna adjust this next, okay? There's not much left in the neck at this point. We've done it every which way, right? So scoot towards me now.
Oh my gosh. I heard that so loud.
How many were there? There was more. There's more. Let's just wait a second because the siren is coming through. But you see this spot here? That's what I want to kind of work on next. And here's L5. L4, L3, 2, 1. So we're going to come all the way down low here. There's one. Now I'm going to do more. So big breath in and blow it out.
Oh my gosh.
There's more, right? And now lie on your side again. Pull up the top knee only. Pulling through like this. And I'm just going to do the regular one that worked better, okay? Got it.
Oh my god.
You hear all those?
Yeah, put that all the way up.
All the way up your back, right?
Yes.
Okay, so now, oh, you can put this on your head. Let's leave from your hip, but sometimes your ankle will go at the same time. Wow. Good, so this time we're going to focus on this ankle. So we're going to come in really close here. One more. Then we're going to come down here. And do this one next, right here. That one doesn't want to go. But that one did. Right there. Right there. Good. So now, put the back of your hands together like this. And now lift the arms high in the air. You feel anything go on that one? Okay. So now I'm going to do this right here. Wow. You hear that? Those are good. And do this right there.
Until breathing. Good. Let it all go. Good. Sinking in. Breathe out. Okay. Breathing in. Good. Let the shoulders relax here. Lay on your back. Okay. Any tenderness here?
A little bit, not a lot.
How's this feel?
Oh yeah, that.
Let your shoulders come up like this. Good. Lay on your back.
Is it bad to pop your fingers?
No.
Okay.
Good. Let your head just drop into the table.
Oh, that felt good.
Deep. Okay, this is the one, C5. Now let your head drop, let your shoulders drop, Rachel. Good. Nice soft breathing in. Good. And out. Breathe. Harder. Relax. One more time, push out. Push, 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 push. Relax. Okay, hold your knees together. Hold them together. Hold, hold. Look straight ahead. Relax, let it go. They're stiff. Let me see, go ahead, you crack them. Do that one. Oh, that's how you do it.
Or sometimes I'll pull them too, but usually I'll have to like do something with that.
Okay, that wasn't too bad. I can definitely feel like a little bit of swelling in some of these joints though.
Next up is Dr. Joseph Cipriano.
On a T2 adjustment on that left side here. Good. Just gotta get a little of these hairs out of the way here. Alright, we're gonna do a T1 on the right here. There we go. Got a lot of movement with that one right there. Okay. So we're gonna come in at that upper thoracic area. I'm gonna have you take a deep breath in and exhale all the way out. Good. One more time, deep breath in and all the way out. Good. Come closer to me. Perfect right there. Good. You fell. Alright, I'm gonna have you flip to the other side. That's that. Good. Let me just roll it just a little bit. Perfect. Good. Lay flat on your back for me. Good. She felt that one. Good. Okay. Now, I want to make sure and clear out the rest of this thoracic spine here. So I'm going to put my arms over here, over just like that, and I want you to put your arms up and over mine.
How? Like, how?
Like, yep, and come down like how my hands are, put your hands over my hands.
Here? Yep, exactly. Lean back on me. Squeeze your elbows. Good. Hug. Good. Deep breath in and exhale out. Perfect. And relax, relax. Your spine here.
Oops.
On the left. There we go. And we're going to drop down to a T1 on the right. There we go. Feel how we took the pressure off those nerves?
Oh,
right?
yeah.
Good.
Great.
Okay. I want you to take a deep breath in and exhale out. Good. One more time, deep breath in and out. Okay. Keep that bottom one straight. Good. Just like that. There we go. I'm gonna have you flip to the other side for me. Perfect. Oh, there we go. Lay flat on your back for me. Okay. Now we're gonna go ahead, we're gonna do a leg pull. With this, you'll feel some release in the ankles, to the knees, going up to the hips as well. There we go. Feel how that went up?
Yeah. Oh.
I want you to put your hands up and over mine. Yep, just like that. So I'm going to lean you back onto me. I got you. Squeeze your elbows together. Good. So you are definitely really tight throughout that up. Exhale out. There we go. And this is where people get, or patients get a ton of relief from. So right through here.
Oh. Oh my goodness. Wow.
You feel how that? Stay relaxed for a minute. And is going to be at that cervical thoracic junction here. Okay. So we're going to start with that T1 on the left. Good. Yeah, very tight, very guarded up here too as well. There it was. Good. Okay. So now we're going to go into that upper back, that upper thoracic area here. I want you to take a deep breath in. And one more time, deep breath in and out. Good. One more time, deep breath in. There it was. Out by your side. Put your hands up and over mine. Yep.
Like this?
Perfect. I'm going to lean you back on me, and I want you to squeeze your elbows together. Yep, I got you, I got you. There we go. Feel how that released?
Yeah.
Good. Alright. What I want you to do, I want you to take a deep breath in, and exhale out. There it was. And relax. Perfect. Alright, I'm going to have you just relax your hands on your stomach for me.
Okay. Oh. Wow. Oh. I can feel it.
Here. I'm going to start with that T2 right here on that left side. There we go. Drop down to a T1 here. Okay, a little tight on that side there. But we'll go throughout the rest of the adjustment. We'll get that all opened up for you. Okay, so I'm going to start off. I'm going to have you take a deep breath in for me. And exhale out. Drop down here. Deep breath in. And exhale out. Good. with this right here, I'm gonna have you give yourself a hug like that. Now keep your thighs to the table for me. We're gonna rotate you like this and look as far as you can over this shoulder for me. There we go.
Stubborn.
Now, that right there, facing the ankle to the knees, going up to the hips. So just let me, good, very, very nice and relaxed here. Yep, just that leg pull. I know how you feel that up in the hip. Do the same thing on this side. Good. Adjustment. So arms out by your side. I'm gonna come up and over. I want you to put your hands over mine. Yep. I'm gonna have you lean back onto me. Squeeze your elbows together now. Tighter. There we go.
Oh, that was awesome.
Yeah, that just unlocked the rest. Because in the beginning, when I let pressure off the nerves in the thoracic spine. So with this, what I'm gonna have you do, take a deep breath in and exhale out for me. Good. And just relax your hands on your stomach for me. Yeah, this is where patients get a ton of relief from.
Oh my God.
And relax, lay back down.
Yeah, that was a lot.
Probably weren't expecting that, were you? Respira. And out. Let me have you sit up on the table. See it? Perfect. And I'll have you bring yep, that arm up and then bring your other arm. Yep. Good, good. Good. Lay on your side and face me this way. Yeah, right it was. Good. Good. Okay. And then flip. Okay. And now back. Good.
Oh my God.
And boca arriba. Relax. Relax, relax. Relájate. Good. Come on up. Okay. One up. Yep. Next one up. Good. Deep breath in. And out.
Oh my God. Oh, no, it's so good.
Respira.
Oh my God. Oh, wow.
Here. Take a deep breath in and exhale out. One more time. and out. There it was. Look over the shoulder for me.
Oh, Jesus! Okay. Okay.
And relax your legs for me. There it was.
Okay.
Squeeze your elbows together. Good. Oh yeah.
This is crazy. Oh! Whoa! 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 Okay.
Hand breathe.
Okay. 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 All right. Oh.
And I'm gonna start right up top here. Okay.
Breathe out over.
Take a deep breath in. Now out. Okay. One more time. Deep breath in and out. Okay. We're gonna bring like this. Yep. One arm up. Bring your other arm up here for me.
Up.
This
Oh,
one.
okay.
Yep. Good. I'm gonna turn you like this. Keep your legs to the table. Okay. Okay. There we go. Good. Let me have you lay face down. Perfect. There we go. And then I'm gonna have you flip to the other side. Good. Like that. Scoot forward towards me. Okay. And I'm gonna take this hand from you. Drop that shoulder. There we go. Yep, and just relax. Good. On your back for me.
No, back.
Yep, on your back, yep.
Face down.
Face up.
Face up.
You'll feel release in the ankle, the knee, going up to the hip. Bring your arms up. Bring your hands on top of mine. Yep.
Here.
Yep. So I'm gonna lean you back. I got you. Fall back, fall back.
Fall back.
Squeeze your elbows together. Tighter. Tighter, tighter. Good. There we go. First time, right?
Maybe second, because first time was in my childhood.
Okay. Okay. Bring your arm like this.
Okay.
Yep. Deep breath in and out. Come down a little bit. Maybe that. Okay. Okay, and then let your hands, yep, just rest. And breathe. What did you feel?
I feel very good.
Next up, we have Dr. Christopher Dorser.
So we're gonna do a little push right here. Go ahead, take a big breath in. Hold it out. Good. And then same thing here. Good. And then you haven't had CT in a minute.
Nope.
Just a little push here.
Oh yeah.
Awesome. Face me on this side, right? Good. And that's what Alright.
Oh man.
That
was good.
Actually, let's take the face paper off so we don't get all those little crackles in there. Sorry, I got the cold hands. Oh, you And then let's just run through all extremities. Have I ever even done extremities with you? Probably not.
Nah.
Little quiet ones.
Yeah,
Got some nervous wrists there.
Yeah.
A little push in here. Are these like 2 days new?
Hey, speed them. Not out you.
I'll get this guy.
Yeah.
New man?
Oh yeah.
New man?
Could feel that all the way down my back. Oh, it's good.
Sweet.
That was really good.
I'll keep this out for me too. I'll spray down the table real quick.
Alright, deep breath. And all the way out.
Right there.
Yeah, deep breath. And all the way out.
Perfect.
I think the side was in. Yeah. Remember last time I wasn't moving that side, eh? Yes.
That's the one.
Yeah, I remember the last time I adjusted you, that side didn't go either. Nice and easy.
Yes. Oh gosh, I needed that for
Man.
so long.
It's a professional, hey? Let's go towards me. Normal.
Perfect.
How's that disc been?
It's been alright.
Yeah.
It's the laser's been helpful, but
Yeah.
yeah, adjustments are still kind of not the easiest on it.
Right.
There we go.
If you made it to the end of the video, guys and girls, thanks for watching. Subscribe for more chiropractic content.